Hello my friends, this is Ethan. Our Europe customer just ordered two 40-feet container of 4K vending machine. Let's check it out. Here we go. So as you can see, 3 rows. This is 10 set, 10 set, over there is 10 set. So total is 32 set, 2 40-feet container. Let's just walk it through. All of the machine right now is finished production, and we only take 10 days for the 30 machines. Okay, now it's ready to packing and ship. Woo! Another row. Well, you can see. Is that over there? I will find a machine. Okay, check this way, please. So for the machine outside, we can customize all of the sticker into your design. Right now, this customer design. Okay, or it's the side, the front, and also there's a topping. There's a light decoration lights over there. So on the top, this is not installed yet. And machine, we support the credit card, cash. Okay. Yeah, we can open this side. You see. So you can see when we open this machine, everything is well packed, and we already helped customer to put each 4K model into the number. So you can see Samsung and iPhone, all the models 12, 14, I think 15 is somewhere, 15 Pro. All of this we will load in advance for you. And you can see also the tools we already make it to you, so you can do it. And this is a tool box. This is tool box. Take a look at inside. This is tool box, key, ink, pad, everything. A lot of cable. This is all free for our customer. You can see a little bit inside. Many. And you see, yeah, testing 4K, a lot of stuff. Okay, all of this free for you. Okay, this camera, I'll introduce this camera. This is the only one we have. You can do promotion on TikTok, and you can do promotion on TikTok. You got a coupon code promotion on the marketing. So when the customer, they get the codes and they scan here, and it will like get some free or make some amount off. And this is the latest model we only have. Only we have. Okay, and the plug. And the plug will make into local standard. This is for Europe. If it's for USA, we'll make to USA the plug and also the voltage. Something more you want to know? If there is something more you want to know, contact us. Really, goodbye.